In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wiki in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space your team can navigate with confidence, and you'll know exactly how to keep it updated over time. Start by opening your Notion workspace and creating a new page that will act as your wiki homepage. Give it a clear, descriptive title so everyone immediately understands its purpose. Think of this page as your front door. It should welcome people and point them to the right places quickly. Add a short introduction at the top to explain what the wiki is for and what types of information it holds, so new team members can instantly get oriented. Next, add headings and sections for your main topics, such as policies, guides, or team resources. Use large headings for big categories and smaller headings inside each section for specific items. Keep section names short and consistent, and consider adding a one-line description beneath each header to explain what someone will find there. Dividers and spacing help the eye scan the page, so place them thoughtfully to break up content. From there, create subpages for each category to keep information organized. Inside your wiki homepage, add a subpage for each major topic. Give each subpage a clear name and start with a quick summary at the top, followed by structured content. If a subpage grows too long, add additional subpages within it. This keeps your wiki tidy and prevents endless scrolling. To help people move around efficiently, use links and page mentions to connect related pages together. You can mention a page inline so readers see it right where it's useful, or paste a link to guide them to deeper details. Cross-linking creates a web of references, so someone reading a policy can jump straight to a related guide without hunting around. Improve navigation and readability with icons, cover images, and call-out boxes. Choose icons that visually reinforce the topic and keep them consistent across related pages. A clean cover image can make each section easy to spot. Use call-out boxes to highlight important notes, warnings, or quick tips so critical information stands out even on a busy page. Finally, share the wiki with your team so everyone can access and update information easily. Adjust permissions so teammates can view, comment, or edit as needed, and add a brief note on how to propose changes. With that, your Notion wiki is ready to grow alongside your team.